Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the types of preservatives. What are the preservatives? Understanding preservatives, definition, their types, and practical applications. Introduction to preservatives. In this presentation, we will explore the world of the preservatives. We will define what they are, discuss various types, examine and their practical application, and examine their practical application in food and other industries. Understanding preservatives is essential for both the consumer and the producers. What are the preservatives? Preservatives are substances added to product to prevent the spoilage, maintain the freshness, and extend the shelf life. They inhibit the growth of microorganisms and prevent the clinical changes. Understanding their roles in the crucial for food safety and quality. Types of preservatives. Preservatives can be broadly classified into the natural and synthetic types. Natural preservatives include salt and vinegar, while the synthetic preservatives include chemical like sodium benzoate. Each type has its own benefit and drawbacks. Natural preservatives such as salt, sugar, and vinegar are derived from the natural sources. They not only preserve the food but also add unique flavor. Their use is the growing due to the increasing consumer demand for the clean label products. Synthetic preservatives like sodium nitrite, sorbic acids are the chemically manufactured to enhance the food longevity. They are often more effective than natural option but can raise concern regarding health effect and allergies. Function of preservatives. The primarily functions preservatives include the preventing microbial growth, delaying the oxidation and maintaining the color and flavor. Each functions play a vital role in ensuring the food safety and the consumer satisfaction. Next is the regulation on the preservatives. Regulatory bodies like the FDA and EFSA set the strict guidelines on the use of preservatives. These regulations ensure that the preservatives are used safely and effectively, protecting consumers from the potential health risks. Preservatives in food industry. In the food industry, preservatives are essential for extending the shelf life and maintaining the product quality. They help reduce food waste and ensure that the product remains safe for the consumption over time. Preservatives in cosmetics. Beyond the food, preservatives are the crucial in cosmetics to prevent the microbial growth and extend the shelf life. Common cosmetic preservatives include the parabens and the phenoxyethanol, which help to maintain product integrity and safety. Consumer awareness. As the consumer becomes more health conscious, awareness of the preservatives has increased. Many new prefer product labeled as the preservative free or containing the natural alternatives, influencing market trends and product formulations. Future of preservatives. The future of preservatives is leaning toward the natural alternatives and innovative preservation technologies. Research is ongoing to develop the safer and more effective method that align with the consumer preference for healthier options. In conclusion, the preservatives play a vital role in food safety and product longevity. Understanding their types, function, and regulations help consumers make informed choice. The trend toward natural preservatives may shape the future of the industry. Thanks for watching.